Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. As you can see, we're at Hobby Lobby and we're going to be doing some window shopping today, or a Christmas preview, whatever you want to call it. In the South, we call it window shopping, where you just walk by and you look. I'm not doing any prices today. It's literally sit back, listen to some fun Christmas music, get in the Christmas spirit, and drink some coffee, hot cocoa. If it's cool enough there, grab a blanket. It's not cool enough in Arkansas to be grabbing blankets yet, but just sit back and relax and enjoy.
These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Hey.
Y'all, the Christmas ornament aisle does not disappoint. There are 2 full rows of them, but I was only able to feature one due to length of the video or time of the video, but that's my mama right there. Me and my mama had so much fun going through all these ornaments, and we were like talking about what ornament would fit each person and all that good stuff. It was so much fun.
These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright.
In every section or different design, I loved several of the garlands, and I was like, where am I going to hang all these garlands if I buy them all? I guess my house will just be all Christmas garland, because I loved so many of these. They were so pretty. I mean, they just did not disappoint. There was farmhouse, contemporary, just anything you could imagine, and they were just beautiful. And my style is farmhouse, but I promise you, I found at least 2 in every different style.
That I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about
Ain't my mama so cute? we have been so busy, I say we, more me, that I've not been able to see my mom in more than a month, and that's something that I don't like to happen because I want to cherish as many moments with my mother as I can, but I've just been so crazy busy. And anyway, so we decided to meet and hang out in a different town than we both live in, just so that we could get together. She's having a lot of fun with all the bells, y'all. And I just really enjoyed it. We ate and went to Hobby Lobby and went to the Goodwill and just really enjoyed our time. But we were in Goodwill for like 2 hours, and finally she tuckered out and went to the car to wait on me. So I outshopped her. But anyway, we just really enjoyed our time. And I just want to make sure that I cherish each moment that I can with Mama, because you never know what could happen on the next day. So I always try to live most of my days that I can like it'll be my last, or it could be someone else's last day. I always try to keep in mind that you just never know. During COVID, we've lost so many friends, and we've had so many funerals to go to, and it's really just sickening the amount of young people and young friends that we've had to go to their funerals. So I just always want to remember to take the time needed to make sure that people know that we love them. Absolutely loving this ivory and pastel pink or blush color stuff. I have nowhere in my house to put any of this, but I love it. I might have to figure out a way to incorporate it. I don't know how I will, because like I said, it doesn't match anything in my house, but I think it is the most beautiful, calming, pretty color, and it's so feminine. I just love it. My husband would be like, why we got a pink Christmas tree? But I just love it. I'm thinking about trying to incorporate it somehow in our bedroom, because I think it would go pretty with my navy. What colors do you like to decorate with for Christmas? Let me know in the comments down below. I do black, white, and the green. I really like the Treehouse Farm signs and things like that, and I also incorporate red in there because I like the traditional colors of Christmas, but I really like the blues and the pinks too. This Dr. Seuss stuff is so cute. I love the movie How the Grinch Stole Christmas, and I could totally see if someone had the right setup to decorate with this stuff because it is so adorable. I just absolutely love it. And up at the top of this shelf, well, there's the gummy bears, but at the top of this shelf, there's like some dinosaurs up there. There they are, the little T-Rex. I love those. I think those are adorable. I might have to figure out how to incorporate some of those too. I think my grandkids would really love those. So we are on the aisle that I absolutely love. Like, all this stuff on this aisle speaks to my heart. It matches my house and I want it all. So we probably need to take up a love offering so that I can buy it all, because yeah, I don't even know where I would put it anyway, but I love everything on this aisle. Like, I was just like, oh my goodness. If you're still hanging around, I just want to say how much I appreciate you and how much I appreciate all my new subscribers and all the people that came over from my collab last week to support my channel. I appreciate y'all so much. My heart has just almost bursted at all the support I've been getting, and I really, really appreciate you. Also, if you like this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button to help a girl grow and help support my channel, and hit the bell so you'll know like when all my new videos are coming out, so you won't miss a one. Also, I was going to say, while I was in Hobby Lobby shopping this day, I met a lady and she went home and subscribed to my channel. So I just wanted to say hi to Karen. Hey girl, maybe I'll get to see you in Hobby Lobby again sometime. But I just thought that was so sweet that she went home and subscribed to my channel. Y'all, the pick aisle is not disappointing at all. It was rows and rows and rows of really cool things. I loved so many of them. They are just beautiful. I picked up a few that I'm probably going to end up buying because I love them so much. So let me know which ones that you are spotting that you like. I really liked the green, this one right here where it has kind of like the frost on the leaves. I thought those were so pretty. Oh my goodness. So I'm probably going to end up buying some of those. We have finally come to the end of this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed this window shopping experience or lookbook, whatever you want to call it. If you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and share my video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.